Good evening friends, this is Pradeep from Trading Clan. Happy to see you all in this video. In this video, we are going to see the Nifty and Bank Nifty levels for Monday. So we are going to do our analysis and do our predictions for Monday. Before going to analyze the Nifty and Bank Nifty, if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and please click the bell icon for further notifications. So let me go for Bank Nifty predictions first. Let us open the Bank Nifty in TradingView window with 45 minutes time frame chart, because normally we will prefer 45 minutes time frame chart will give more accuracy. So here the Bank Nifty has opened in TradingView window. There already we have marked our support and resistance level. So you can see the red line is the resistance line, and the green line is our support line. So right now the market is not deviating from our levels, so we not need to revisit our support and resistance restructuring. Let we have same like that. Now we will have a look on closer look on the current area. So here I have found very important thing, which is I am going to highlight now. The tail has formed in the red candle. Even though one more tail also has formed here in the after the consolidation. So these two tails are very important in our predictions, because when you feel the tail, there is some bias came in the market. That's what our understand on all our trades. So here also it is happening like that. So we can feel some bias pressure already came in the market. So this is a very good sign for in the market will move in the buying side. But this is not only the confirmation for our trades. We have to look for real time market tomorrow. Before that, whatever the possible ways, we have to do analysis and we have to check our predictions. So right now I am encircling the one more candles. Look at the candles that's having very big power candle. So this is also one of the important point we have to consider for our predictions. The reason is, after the downfall we feel one big power candle has formed here. So this is very important thing, because there whenever you see the power candles, there are bias actively participating in the market. So always normally these power candles will support for the script to move in upside. This is also one of the important for our important thing for our predictions. So there is we right now we are getting 2 points. One is the tail, another one is the power candle. So after the power candle, we can see one more power candle in the negative side. I mean that is in red color. So we here it will get confused for us, but we should not bother about this red candle, because after the red candle, if you are seeing the movement is not went in downside, so it is getting consolidated over there. So this is a very good sign. When the consolidation is happened at the support point, then we have to consider that is a consolidation, not distribution. So after seeing these all points, one is the tail has formed, another one is the power candle has formed. Afterwards the market is at a buying point, I mean the support point. The one more thing is we are seeing some consolidation. So there are 4 important points for us to predict the market. So I am predicting the market will go in upside by tomorrow. But in the real market we have to see how the movement is. Currently I am fixing with upside movement. I am expecting in 2 ways the market can go in upside. Let us see one by one. In the first way, if the global has support for us, then our market will gap up opening and it will move further upside. So in the second way, if there is no global support or very less support, the market can go with the continued movement and it can go in upside. For anyway the market will go in upside. That's what I'm predicting for Monday and Tuesday. However, we enter the trade, we should be always very careful with our stop loss levels. So without stop loss, please don't enter the trade because it will make a huge loss. So we are keeping our stop loss below 950 level, 34,950 level. Whenever the market moves below this level, we can close our trades. That's what I'm thinking. I'm expecting the target. The Bank Nifty will move 35,500 by 1 or 2 days, within 1 or 2 days. For that, we are keeping two conditions. We are keeping one condition only here. The condition is it should not break the 34,950 levels. If it is, if we feel the market is not breaking this level for another in tomorrow morning, when we are seeing after 4-5 candles, then easily we can predict the market definitely it will move in upside. Like that we can think about it. But always we have to be have eye on our stop loss levels. These predictions I was noticed on Friday itself. So I thought that the market will go in upside. So I have entered my trade in Friday itself. So I have bought Bank Nifty 3500 at the premium of 333 rupees. Let's see tomorrow how the market will behave and how our trades will work out for us. So this is the prediction for Bank Nifty. Let's move on to the Nifty predictions. Before that, if you are not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and please click the bell icons for further notifications. So in the trading view window, I have opened Bank Nifty in 45 minutes time frame chart. So the green line is our support line and the red line is our resistance line. But here, if you are seeing the market already crossed its support line. This is not a good thing for buyers, because it's already breaks its support level. So we have to be very careful. Maybe there is a chance for going in downside also. Always we have to be very careful with our stop loss levels. Here I am encircled two areas. Here I found there is a buying pressure came into the market after the breaks of our support level. Look at these two areas. There was in these two areas buyers or came into the market. The buyers are start participating in the market. This is one good sign for the market can go in upside. Okay, now look at the yesterday's market in very closely. So we can see there is a power candle also has formed, but after the power candle we can see the one more resistance, seller candle, that is also a power candle. So but we not need to bother about that candle. The reason is after the sellers came into the market, after seeing the power selling candle, after that there is no movement in the downside. So that is also one of the important point we have to notice. So after the power candle, if you are seeing the market turns in upside movement only. You can see the small green candle which moves in the direction of upside. So that is also a good sign for us. So anyway, for every trade we have to keep our stop loss. I am keeping 15,650 as our stop loss, and I am expecting the market will go in upside. Maybe it will touch our support line. It will the support line will act as a resistance line further. Once it breaks, definitely we can assure the market will go in upside. Here I am expecting the market can go in two ways to reach upside. The first way is it will go and it will touch the retrace support line, and it will get retraced and it can go in upside. That is one way. Another way is if the global support is well and good, the market can jump above the support line and it can go further move in upside. That is also possible. Anyway, I am predicting the market will go in upside only. For that, there are two conditions has to get satisfied for Nifty. Condition number one is market should break the support line. That will act as a resistance line further. It should get break. That means that green line has to get break, and after that, the second condition is market should not break the bottom side red line. That means our stop loss line. That is that we can kept as a 15,650. any market should not break this level. Always we have to be eye on this levels. If these two conditions are getting satisfied, we can expect there is a high probability for market will move in upside. So these are the very simple way to predict our market for tomorrow. For tomorrow and day after tomorrow trade, I'm expecting the market will reach 15,800 within 1 or 2 days maximum. Let's see what will happen in the real time market tomorrow. Always these predictions will not work out. We have to see the real time market and behavior of the candles. Based on that, we have to redefine our predictions. Here there are some of the important points to be noted in our analysis. Both in Nifty and Bank Nifty, the tail has formed and it is getting consolidated. We can see the power range candles in the consolidation in upside movement, and the market is at support level in Bank Nifty. So most of the time the Bank Nifty can go in upside, and even Nifty can go in upside. That's what our predictions. So finally we are concluding that Bank Nifty and Nifty will move in upside. For Bank Nifty, we are keeping 35,500 is our levels and 15,800 is our Nifty levels. Let's see tomorrow. We will post the immediate updates based on the market directions in our WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe. Please don't forget to click the bell icon for further notification. Thank you. Grow with us.